Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Well, dividends are one such way to make money while sleeping. But what is this dividend? Stay tuned because we at Alice Blue simplify everything you need to know about investing, trading, personal finance, one level deeper. If you invest in a company and it makes a profit, the company pays you back a certain amount of money for owning its stock. This is called a dividend. However, it's completely up to the company to decide whether to distribute its profit among the shareholders or reinvest it for further growth. Say, for example, company X offers a dividend of rupees 500 per share this quarter. You decide to buy 100 shares, which means you invest around 100 into 500 as 50,000. But you will only get 500 per quarter and 2,000 rupees per year. After an investment of 50,000, 2,000 is certainly not the best way to make the most of your money, don't you think? Also, how did the 50,000 become 2,000 in the first place? Well, that's because of the dividend yield. Hence, checking how much money you'll be getting back after investing becomes crucial. So how do we do that with dividends? There is this concept of dividend yield that tells you how much money you'll earn back based on the current price of the stock. Let's calculate the dividend per share using our previous example. That is, the dividend yield 1% multiplied by price per share rupees 500 divided by 100 will get rupees 5. Or in other words, you're investing rupees 500 per share only to receive rupees 5 per share. Yeah, that's what. But if we were getting a 2% dividend yield instead of 1%, we would get rupees 10 per share instead of rupees 5. Isn't it? Well, not always. A higher dividend yield does not mean that you will get more money. Why? Say, you plant a fruit-bearing tree. This tree produces a lot of fruit in a short period of time, which is good, really good. However, to give you the fruit now, the tree used all of its resources from the soil without nourishing itself for its future growth. Over time, because the tree never cared about itself, the quality of the fruit decreased, and eventually, the tree stopped producing fruit altogether. Similarly, if a company starts distributing its profit without caring for the growth of the company, well, you saw what happened to the tree. So far, we have covered the what and how. But there is a very important concept yet. When? When to buy shares to receive dividends? There's this concept of the ex-dividend date, which is the cut-off date set by a company to determine which shareholders are eligible to receive the next dividend payment. If the X date is kept as 22nd April and you bought stocks on 23rd April, you will not receive the dividend for that quarter. Instead, you will be eligible for the next quarter's dividend. Before we part, just go through this list before investing in dividend. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're curious about the stock market, make sure to check out this video.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.